Hello friends, my name is Sanju Kumar Sidar and I welcome you all to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to tell you a story about my English channel blog. Before I started my channel, I have already made several channels by different names, but I could not go too far. And why is that? Because I had this mindset of getting success overnight. I started my channel after seeing others YouTubers success. They have millions of subscribers on their channel. They are making a handsome money. Indeed, I saw their success, but I did not try to find out their hard work. If I had, I would have not made my those channels. So one fine day after my dinner, I was sitting by the window and watching YouTube. To be precise, I was looking for a video about how to grow the channel within a short amount of time. And then I found this channel, Manoj Deo, and his video had already millions of views. So I thought that I have found my solution finally. And the thumbnail read the same thing: grow your channel in 30 days, 400 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. I found myself engaged in that video because his content had his video had an eye-opening content. In his video he was talking about finding our own talent rather than jumping on bandwagon. And he gave his own example. When he was beginner, he started his own channel. He wanted to be so many things, like musician, like singer, comedian, and he was inspired to be those things by watching others on YouTube. But he failed badly, and then finally he made another channel, Manoj Deo, and here he made a video about technology, as he knew the technology from inside out, cause he had some working experience. He had worked on cyber cafe, and guess what? After that, there was no looking back. So friends, he was just talking about we should not copy others. We should find our own talent, our own hidden talent. So friends, after watching his video, I spent several days brooding upon what he said, and then I thought that I should open this English content video. As I have been striving to learn English for many years, almost half a decade, and I have got so many experience, and I thought that I could do better in this field. Okay, so friends, in this video, I was just trying to say that do not just follow others blindly. Try to find your own hidden talent, and this is how you will get success in your life. I'm not just talking about creating a video on you, creating a channel on YouTube, be it um, any field. Okay, if you want to get success, then find your hidden talent. So friends, the moral of the story is that we should follow our own passion. We should find our identify our talent. And friends, if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel to get some more interesting videos and stories, motivational stories like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.